Today we're going to talk about the new MM4S module and the new push and go connector here, and just slides into that power terminal right there. And so when we supply a kit, we're going to supply with the push and go connector and then this 8-foot lead with a Von Duprin male end of the 2-prong connector. That way, if you're retrofitting a command access existing unit or Von Duprin, it'll be easy to plug and play instead of having to rerun your whole wire. And this 8-foot lead can be trimmed down to as short as you'd like it. So for example, I'm going to show you the one that I've been using. I've trimmed it all the way down to about 8 inches, and then I have the push and go connector on the other side. So I could plug in there and then go ahead and plug into my motor. So that would be ideal for a retrofit situation. For a new install, we can go ahead and chop off that connector, and we'll run our 8-foot lead and go straight into the push and go connector. And we'll start off by stripping both wires about 1/4 of an inch. And next, the really easy thing about the push and go connector is I don't need any special pins. I'll just go ahead and push both of these power leads into the 2 terminals. Don't have to worry about it being polarity sensitive. And the internal jaws clamp on, and now I'm connected. And go ahead and plug right into my motor. Now, if I needed to redo my termination, I can actually use something small like a blade, stick in the terminal beneath the wires, and that'll actually release the internal clamp so that I can take my wires out. I can shorten them if I need to, and once I have the correct length, I can reinstall them into the push and go connector, and we're ready to go.
So the new MM4S, and I'm just going to walk you through how the energy settings are going to work. So here's number 1 marked and number 2, just like on the label. Up position is off, down position is on, like it says here, and also marked on the label. So it's going to ship in standard mode, which is 1 off, 2 on, and that's going to be 900 milliamp inrush and 250 milliamps holding. And then high torque is going to be 1 and 2 both on. That's going to be high torque, and that's a 2 amp inrush, 250 milliamp holding. That's for extra pulling power, tall doors with vertical rods. And once you have your energy setting in the right place, then you can set the push to set by depressing the pad, applying power, and once you have it into the right location, for more information on that, see the push to set video. You can push both of these into the off position, and once they're in the off position, that is going to be a programming lock. So it'll keep the energy setting and the position on the push to set locked in place.
Thanks for calling Command Access. How may we help you?